Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Butterfly effect be like. 1. I woke up 5 minutes late and somehow missed the whole adventure. A tiny delay can change the entire day. 2. I said hello, now we're best comrades. One small interaction can lead to something meaningful. 3. I took a different route and discovered a new favorite place. A tiny choice can create a new experience. 4. I forgot my umbrella and suddenly I'm starting in a rain commercial. One little mistakes can change the situation dramatically. 5. I click one video. 3 hours later, I know everything about penguins. A tiny decision can lead somewhere unexpected. 6. I bought one snack. Somehow, the whole snack aisle came home. One small choice can create a chain reaction. 7. I press play, goodbye, bedtime, one action can completely change your schedule. 8. I smiled at someone, they smiled back, instant good mood, tiny kindness can spread positivity. 9. I missed the bus, then met someone interesting while waiting. An inconvenience can create an unexpected opportunity. 10. I change my playlist. Suddenly, I'm the main character. A tiny change can completely shift your mood. 11. I clean one corner. Now, I apparently have to clean the entire room. One tiny task can trigger another. 12. I sent one funny message. Group chat exploded. One message can start a whole conversation. 13. I tried one new food. Now I have a new favorite. Tiny experiment can lead to a new preference. 14. I took one photo. Now I am making a whole album. One moment can inspire many more. 15. I save one coin. Eventually, I had enough for something special. Tiny actions can add over time. 16. I said maybe and somehow ended up to an adventure. A tiny decision can open unexpected doors. 17. I'm watch one tutorial. Now I think I'm an expert. Curiosity can quickly lead to learning. 18. I made one mistake but learned something useful. A tiny setback can create valuable growth. 19. I complimented someone and they smiled all day. A few kind words can have a bigger impact than expected. 20. I changed one word. I'm same message. Suddenly, it sounds much nicer. Tiny communication choices can change how people feel. 21. I decided to go outside and found the best sunset. One simple decision can create a memorable moment. 22. I started exercising for 5 minutes and now I'm actually enjoying it. Tiny beginnings can become healthy habits. 23. I opened an old box and discover memories from years ago. A tiny action can reconnect you with the past. 24. I asked one question and learned something completely unexpected. Curiosity can lead to a new knowledge.